Hello. How are you doing today? Welcome to another video here with us at Mathematics Resource Center. And today we'll be looking at number line. So let's just look at this number line here. And we're just going to go ahead and put in a few things. So the very first thing that I want to put in is a 0. And this 0 is a central point. This 0 is halfway between two things, right? This 0 is a neutral point, all right? So it's the origin. So when we look after looking at this 0, there's a few things that's going to come in play. One, to the very right of this 0, right, we have our positive numbers. And positive numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll go on and on and on and on. Million, trillion. Oh, good. And then now to the very left of this 0, we have our negative numbers. And negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, 4, 5, 6, -7, -8, -9, -10. All right, so we have those. All right, so it's important for us to know where the numbers on our number lines will fall. And as you can see, as you go right, as you go along that way, the numbers increase. And as you go along this way to the left, it appears as if they're increasing. However, what I want to add is they're actually decreasing. So say for instance, you keep borrowing money from the bank, and borrowing money means that it's negative. The more you borrow, the more you owe. The less income you're going to bring home at the end of the month, which means that negative numbers, the more it is appear, the greater it appear, the smaller it is. So let's just look at a few examples. So say I have 15 and I have 20. Which one is greater? 20 is definitely greater, alright? Or we say 15 is less than 20. But let's look at this now. Say I have 15, oops, say I have -15 and -20. Which one is greater? 15 is greater. So 15 would be greater than -20 because it's better for you to hold $15 than for you to hold $20. You're in more debt. So the greater your debt becomes, and negative tells you that it is debt. The greater your debt is, the less value you are when it comes on to financial status. So the greater you go, the further you go on the negative. -300 is less than -2. So if we had -300 and -2, -300 is less than -2. Alright? So these are just some things for you to really bear in mind. Alright, so let's go to another question as it relates to number line. Here's a number line. Which other numbers will be placed to the left of -3 on the number line? So if we're looking to the left of -3, that direction, right? Which of these numbers would we place on the number line? Would we place -2, -4, 2, or 4? Which of these would we place on the number line? And when we look at it, if we just continue numbering this number line, this would be -4, -5, -6, -7, right? And if we go this way, it would be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of those numbers appear on the left? Definitely -4. Good. All right, let's go to the next one. Here's a number line. Which of the following numbers would be placed to the right of -5 on the number line? So let's look at -5. Let's just fill in some of the gaps on the number line. So this is -6, -7, -8, -9. Which way is left? Is it that way? Is right, I mean, or that way? Ooh, it's actually this way. So here, we're going right. We're going right, we're going right. So we're looking for the number that would fall to the right of the -5. So let's put in some other digits. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of these digits would fall to the right? Which of these digits is on this side? This side, right? So let's look at it. Is it -2? Yes, it is. It is definitely -2. So our answer is -2. Well done. I know that this was a lovely video for you as well. So until next time, bye bye.